Alright, so in the last lecture we have seen how to extract the values of dictionary with key, isn't it? Now, how to create dictionary dynamically at runtime. Let's see that. This is one of the most important concept, and I will use this concept again when I am talking about Excel driven lectures. Maybe last but one section when dealing about framework. Okay, let me create another dictionary. So right now this is an empty dictionary with a name called DICT. You can give any name. So flower brackets, because there is no dictionary values inside it. Now you need to pass values into that dictionary. How to do that? It's very simple. For the dictionary name, you just add the values like first name equals to Rahul, so that you have now successfully pushed a value for one key. Okay, earlier to extract this value, you simply called dic of 4 so that BCD got printed. Now to add values, key value pairs to your dictionary, take that value and assign to one of the key. Okay, now let me add another key value pair. Last name Shetty. Alright, after this I will try to print now this dictionary, because now I loaded with two key value pairs into this empty dictionary. After I load like this, if I try to print this dictionary again, so in this new dictionary now you will see, you see that earlier it is empty, but you have given key value pair, now it became like this. Okay, similarly you can add another value as well. So as I said, adding new values to dictionary is most important concept, and we will use this again when dealing with frameworks. So at that time I don't repeat it, so just remember this concept. So run this test again and you see that the complete dictionary is printed. So once dictionary is loaded, if you want to read the values again, you just need to print it. Print last name, then you will actually get whatever value you got stored. Here it is nothing but Shetty. Did we print it? Print, oh sorry, it's dict. New variable dictionary, right? That's it. Okay, so this is how you can build a dictionary from an empty dictionary by adding key value pairs. So when I am talking about Excel based lectures, at one point of time we will have all test case data in Excel sheet, and from Excel sheet we read the values and load it as one dictionary. In that case, these values will come from Excel sheet, and then we will load into dictionary and will finally prepare something like this. You will see that in framework lectures, but to reach that point you have to understand how to build empty dictionary and then how to construct values top over that empty dictionary, and this is the concept. All right, see you in the next lecture. Thank you.